Hello everybody. We have a Honeywell security system which has been giving us some problems recently. The system worked flawlessly for more than 2 years in our new home construction. But near the 2-year mark, we got a nuisance trip in the middle of the night. Obviously most of these are going to always trip in the middle of the night when your system is armed. So 2 o'clock in the morning or 6 o'clock in the morning. But we got a nuisance trip at about the 2-year mark. Went into the panel, checked everything out, checked all these connections. Every one of them was tight. 3 months later, we get another trip in the middle of the night again. This time I decided to replace the door magnet and sensor. So I actually replaced the magnetic proximity sensor, and then I relocated the magnet to make sure that it was more properly aligned. And that system worked flawlessly for about 2 months. We got a nuisance trip today and came down to investigate, and I think I have finally found the problem once and for all. The circuit in question is circuit number 9, and you can see here circuits 1 through 8 are here, but 9 through 16 are in the expansion port. You can also see from my keypad that I have here that there are no faults on the system right now. So the faults clear themselves immediately. I'm able to rearm the system once it's faulted, but I thought I'd dig into this a little bit further, and I have finally found the problem after. Right here on circuit number 9, that end of line resistor. Watch this. See that break right there? That wire is broken. Here's a close-up view of that connection. So apparently the connection would just rest on there like that. No faults on the system, but obviously the minute it stopped touching that terminal, the alarm system was triggered and the sirens went off. Wire's broken, fault, circuit number 9. So it's that simple. Don't assume that just because these terminals here are tight that your connections are good. Inspect them very, very carefully, and maybe you'll find a break in your termination resistor that is causing your intermittent problem. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.